Pwede po ba kahit walang protein powder? Ang mahal kasi. But first, ano ba ang protein powder? Ang whey protein ay isang protein powder supplement na nagko-contain ng essential amino acids, making it ideal for fast protein source. Ibig sabihin, tumutulong para mag-repair and recover ng muscle natin at nakakapag-boost ng MPS or muscle protein synthesis. There are two kinds of whey protein concentrate and whey protein isolate. The only difference is that whey protein concentrate undergoes minimal processing, while whey protein isolate involves processing steps para ma-remove yung higher percentage of fats, lactose, and carbohydrates. And yes, mas mura yung whey protein concentrate dahil mas less intensive processing yung ginawa dito. So bumalik tayo sa tanong, kailangan mo bang uminom ng whey protein para magka-muscle? Ang sagot ay hindi. Hindi required yung whey protein kung nahihit mo naman yung protein intake mo sa pagkain tulad ng chicken, fish, or beef, or kahit anong pagkain na mataas yung protein. Pero if you have the means to take or buy whey protein, mas ayos dahil mas mabilis mapupuno o makukumpleto yung protein intake mo. Kung meron kang pambili, go for it. Pero kung kaya mo namang kompletuhin yung protein intake mo sa Whole Foods, then hindi mo na kailangan ng whey protein. So make sure to follow for more content like this.